Kumbaga yung sabi ko kay ni Aliwan Reniretang tinipid the buffalo wings kasi look at the size of those cuts or portion, di ba? So, takmantala na yun Wow! Tanano babo kabalen, kumusta kayo po? Yako Luis season ning Huerin Pampanga at yung ngayon kay San Roque Guagua and may invite kami to feature ining Cafe Beanissimo. Excited kami actually kasi madalang kami talagang ma-invite kay ni Banda Guagua. So ito, sana bayan nyo kami po.
Good afternoon po. Welcome to Cafe Beanissimo.
Petro kabalin, minsan pa, salamat kayong pamakyabe. Cafe Beanissimo. So, located dyan kay Petro Star, San Roque, Guagua. Malapit kayo mo kay Plaza, Burgos. Siguro mga 2 minutes to 5 minutes away mo yung cafe tamong yun. We are very delighted to be invited kasi as you can see kay table tamo. Aliya mo yung nitang normal na coffee shop. So, mag-serve lang mo naman pala from appetizer to the main entree to the dessert to of course kaning drinks. Sobrang wide variety na rin sa serve na ganyan. Pag-umpisan tayong taste test tamo of appetizers tamo. So, kayong appetizer, the nilang Beanissimo nachos, yan o. So, as you can see, oozing with cheese, meat, yan. There you go. So, first bite. Cheers, guys. Wow. Atang mo muna kagad itang kakaiba yung cheese na gagamitan do. So, one more bite. There we go, one entire bite. So next to try kainin table tamo is their buffalo wings. So atin tamong Beanissimo chicken wings sa pong buffalo wings. So kumbaga yung sabi ko kay ni Aliwan Reniretang tinipid the buffalo wings kasi look at the size of those cuts or portion, di ba? So takmantala na yun Wow! Oof. Aliya dry, at the same time, aliya masyas itang tamo coating. Buri ka rin itang sesame seed na aroma na. So, one more try. Okay, so this one is their chicken honey flakes. Whoa, look at that. It's gonna be my first time to try. Let's do it. Legit! Legit! Nung ating mag-test kayo, legit apin na ni. One more dip. And this is done. On their menu, atin lang around 5 variants of pasta. Pero, yung try tamo yan is their gourmet pasta. Yako kasi personally, kumbaga, yako mo pan-order pasta, spaghetti, mga yan. Pero this one is their gourmet styled pasta. Sakma tayo. Amazing. Sabi ko din, di ba, hindi ko masyadong mapag-order pasta mga yan or Italian food. But this one, since gourmet parang ako liway itang traditional na carbonara or red spaghetti mga yan. Wow, this one is a must try for you guys. One more bite. Okay, menu that they have around 5 entrees. So this one is their crispy liempo kare-kare. Other than that, atin tamo pang chicken cordon bleu. I'm excited to taste test this one. So this is their crispy kare-kare. Little bit of everything. Kutsara tam. Okay, so din na tayong kare-kare sauce. Slice na ning pork. Bagok. So there you go, all in one spoon, guys. Wish me luck. Speechless. Ako naman nagisan din so ating kung kaya ba yung mangan, pero hindi pa mo sa save ko na yung plate ini kasi this is gonna be mine. So I'm gonna taste this fellow right here. So So this is vanilla cheesecake Oreo, if that is correct. Pero, whew, look at that piece of drink right there. Wow. Whew. Kanya man. Baka manggiligit, baka tula pa. Kasi so you can actually taste the cheesecake and at the same time atin yung bits of Oreo. That makes it really makakiliti kay taste bud tamo. Woo. Wow, guys, this is vanilla Oreo cheesecake. Pero manya-manya, super must try, guys. Strawberry, ini tang mango, ini is the blueberry. So, nano kaya? Siguro I'll try the mango. Let's try it. Ooh, so refreshing. Let's try it again. Alright, so finally we come to the dessert. There you go, guys. So on our table, of course, we have blueberry cheesecake, and then this one is their Beanissimo's best. So when you go to a place, siyempre makutang ka nanong suggestion mo mo kung order mo. So you always go for the best, diba? So this one is their Beanissimo's best. Patinta mo kayo ng vanilla, and then at the bottom you have a brownie, and on top we have an Oreo cookie. And then this one, ini siguro itong magdinan kick kang dessert ini. Alright. Look at that. Whoa. Wow. You get the taste of the coffee plus a brownie plus itong vanilla. So, wala mo dessert and beverage in one. When you go here, make sure to try their Beanissimo's best. Look at that, guys. Okay, so once again, guys, thank you for being with us. So Monday to Thursday, they are open from 10 a.m. up until 10 p.m. During Fridays up until Sunday naman, they are open up until 12 midnight. So longer hours to enjoy the cool ambience. So yung ambience kayo ni. The time we are invited actually is their soft openings. By the time you're watching this video, may kapag grand launch dala. So again, congratulations Cafe Beanissimo. So cheers to that. Guys, thank you for watching here in Pampanga. Until our next discovery. Peace. Whoa.